Wouldn't it be cool if you could have your own secure execution environment like Code Interpreter living inside your network with multiple user persona support, securely connected to every data source in your organization, and all orchestrated by state-of-the-art language models? Well, what you're seeing is exactly that. We're excited to announce iNtuition, our AI execution environment that enables secure multi-user data analysis and insights, all safely behind your firewall. It brings together professional user personas, customized to your teams, and our tailored prompt templates, all created for your unique use cases. Cleaned and enriched internal data sources, along with a powerful execution environment with hundreds of Python data science libraries. iNtuition can connect data sources like SQL, or external API sources like Shopify or QuickBooks, and orchestrate complex workflows using your preferred language model, whether it be cloud or open source, or even a cluster of different models. It enables chatting with your business data, visualizing, extracting insights using AI, even compiling report documents. And our team handles everything from auditing your data, to defining your personas, to tailoring the prompt templates for accurate, meaningful responses. The environment is containerized for easy development in your cloud or on-prem stack, which we can help configure and support. And it's optimized and intended to be integrated into your existing apps and workflows. And all of this as a custom solution that you own and can build upon to future-proof your business. So please reach out if you'd like to learn more or see a demo.